All right, next up. Origins Football, Quad Boxer. Well, yeah.
Doc said he's home alone tomorrow night for the game, and I was like, well, I mean, I'll be there, so he won't be lonely.
Yeah.
I told you I got his tickets.
Mm-hmm.
One-way
flights.
Yeah. I'm a little scared of the airport. Seems a little small. It's just like a field, but I mean, if they sell tickets, it must be safe.
Yeah. There are the teams.
Did you have a shop sale today, or was that the one with the old ones?
That was the...
Oh, you just entered them as today.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Fine.
I forgot.
There. I remember I was drinking during a Dodger playoff game years ago, and TK hit a big home run, and I just tweeted like his name, and it was just a million comments of like, "Oh my god!" Oh, wow. And I was like,
"Yeah, everybody knows."
Come on. Yeah. It's not like it just happened. It's a bait, like you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I just deleted the tweet. And I'm like, okay.
Fine.
One more reason to never tweet or do anything. It's dumb. Why did I even bother?
Nice Jamar Chase rookie.
Gross.
Diggs to 299. Allen to 175. Ian Book.
Let's
Justin.
Grow real long, disgusting hair.
Hair?
Yeah. I'm just not cutting my hair.
Man, you went from I'm gonna shave my head to I'm never cutting my hair in like a day.
I know.
Jacob Harris.
Like a week. No, 4 days.
And Pat Fryermuth to 199.
They're getting some good pitching out of these Astros.
I don't like having long hair, even though I did for quite a while. I would be much more likely to just shave my head, like you said.
Yeah.
Cut it close. I thought you were going to say grow really long beards.
I can't. That I can't do.
I don't think I could either. I hardly ever really cut mine.
Yeah, it's true. You're able to let it go way longer. I can't stand it. Can't stand you.
But I mean, I don't think it would. I think it would not grow.
Scraps out, yeah.
At a certain point. I do trim it here and there, but Baker to 299. Julio to 79. 8 inches.
Thick sleeves. Oh, thick sleeves. There's regular ones.
Travis Etienne, Jumbo Patch Autographs, orange. Snazzy Jazzy.
Wow, really?
And Simi Fayoko. Tim.
I have no idea what Birch looks like.
Me either.
I don't even have like a mental idea.
No, I can never even remember how old he is. Like
he's my age.
Yeah, that's Tutu Atwell to 75.
I know what Brian looks like. I know what UCCF looks like. I know what Raider looks like.
I don't know what Pills looks like either.
I know what Pills looks like.
Actually, I don't think I even know what Red Raider looks like.
Birch, no clue. I kind of remember what Jules looks like.
I actually don't even really know what Doc looks like.
I know exactly what Doc looks like. I sent you the pictures.
Oh, yeah, we've FaceTimed before, actually. I don't remember.
No, we did a... We did like a WWE shared case one time, UCCF, and you had your camera on. Briefly.
Eckler to 25. Donald to 299. Rondale Moore. Hasn't he been pretty good? Tim. He's done some stuff, I think. Wow, another Travis Etienne. Snazzy Jazzy. That one's live and on card. And a nice Herbert to 99 Feature Fabrics.
When we were going to the Dodger game, I had to find my vaccine picture proof thingy, and I scrolled past those pictures of Doc doing the picks on one of that. I showed you that, right?
I don't think so.
There was a guy on, was it UFC or college football, giving like betting picks, and it was just Doc.
Oh, really?
Exactly like Doc. I sent it to Doc, and he was like, I have an uncle who actually looks exactly like that. And I was like, I believe it.
Oh, look at that thing.
What is it?
The Origins Originals, Dalvin
yeah.
Cook. I don't know that I'd seen that before. Tim, that's a beauty. There's also a booklet in here.
Tim has had so many good hits tonight.
McLaurin to 79.
So weird.
He also did by half the spots in this break.
Yeah.
Jefferson to 299.
And the other breaks that he got a bunch of good hits in.
Najee Harris. Patch autographs blue. Okay, so how should I do this? This is the originals. Awesome. Josh Palmer to 75. My Uncle Greg.
That's funny.
Jazzy or Chargers. And did you guys see the name? I didn't. Wow, it's a duel. Devonta Smith, Kenneth Gainwell.
That's cool.
Dual auto patch booklet. Iron Sheffy tried to trade the Eagles. Didn't have any takers. Look at that thing.
You didn't know 140s?
They're behind the 180s on the far right there. Yeah, back there. Yeah, there you go.
190s, yeah. Get behind on this one. It's tough.
Yeah, it's all cards you got to top load.
Yeah, I forgot ETN was a rookie. He didn't even get to play.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a really good looking book.
Good looking book. No. Yeah, sorry, I can't catch up.
Yeah, that's right. We also probably don't need to show anything with the autographs.
Did we get close on UFC? I saw people flying spots after it.
Fehoko, Harris, Ian Book, Travis Etienne, Rondell Moore to 75, Etienne on card, and the Najee Harris. And the booklet for the Eagles.